really dissect what alchemy really means is the transmutation. Right?
Tell me about that.
We're just waiting for John to get in the room.
What's the craziest thing you ever said in an elevator?
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted.
People who are biologically predisposed, you know, I would say to extrasensory perception could really
You ever met a Jehovah's Witness? Is there anything you'd like to plug or mention? Improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out. You want to get anywhere. Well,
and then there was the guy after him.
Ray Combs.
So cool. You have any movie posters?
Greta Thunberg. Those are the lines.
And that's your woman voice?
That's my woman voice.
I'm trying to, you know, be healthier.
No, I want the real answer, Fred. Don't bullshit me. You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that: was it easier having fish again? That fucking fish again. Okay.
It's not the is.com, but there was the damn, I can't remember. It was like it was a thing where they would troll people, you know? Remember the trolling thing?
I remember that too. I remember that. Yeah, and I remember also when you would show up at a comedy store sometime on a Monday, and you, boy, killing it, boy, killing it.